How to crop your portrait is just as important as the lens you use to shoot. So let's jump in and learn all the fundamentals you need to know about cropping your portrait shots. There are two ways to crop your portrait shots. One is in camera and one is in post-production. If you crop in camera while shooting itself, then you have a higher resolution image to work with and you will fill the frame and have a nice background blur. However, you will lose on your creative options. On the flip side, if you crop in post, you will have lower quality of image, but you will have more creative options. So as a photographer, it's up to you to decide if you wish to have quality or creative freedom. Moving on to the fundamentals of portrait crop, I work on a simple principle of if it bend, do not amend. Meaning, if you crop your photo on knees, waist, elbows, toes, fingers, ankles or wrist, then it is bound to make the photo look unpleasant and awkward to the viewer. Let's understand this with the help of an example. In this portrait, you can crop in between the ankle and the knee, or in between the knee and the waist, or above the hands and in between the palms and the elbows, here in between the elbows and the shoulders, or on the neck above your shoulders. Now let's see where not to crop. First mistake would be to crop on the knees. Second mistake would be if you crop the portrait on the hips and also if you crop the fingers. Third would be on your elbows and the final one would be on your shoulders. So to sum it up, these are the correctly cropped portraits and these are the incorrectly cropped portraits. Hope this session was informative to you. See you again next time, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next time, stay safe and click with me.